How to download music from SoundCloud. Now, before I'm gonna start this tutorial, I just want to inform you guys that not all the sounds that you can find here in SoundCloud are downloadable. Some of them are not for free. You can buy them, you can license them, but basically I'm gonna show you some of those that are downloadable. For example, here we have royalty-free music. Now, from this point forward, there are two ways to download. First thing is you can just go ahead and click the more here, and you should be able to see the download file option. So you can click that over there, and it automatically is going to download the file for you. Now, another way is, say for example, this one right here. If I were to click this one, it doesn't have the option to download it. You can buy this one, but then again, you'll have to pay for it. Another one is here down below. If you're going to click this, it still doesn't have it. However, if you're going to click this music right here, there is actually a link here that you can click in order for you to download it from this particular link. So there you go. It says here free download. You can just go ahead and click that over there. And then what you are going to do is click the download button right here again, and then you can choose to support the artist by using the following here. So say for example, you can go ahead and click SoundCloud here and then share a comment just like so, and then click the connect button right here. Click connect and continue, and there you go. So download this one. All right, it says a download started, and you can see it in here. And that, everybody, is how you're going to download music here in SoundCloud.